happen to have a jack in your car, would you? Huh? Yeah, I was gonna try. We're looking for a jack though. If you have a scissor jack or something.
No, we don't carry them.
Son of a bitch. Okay, neither do I.
Pop?
There.
That's what I was looking for. I don't have anything.
You have an air tank? Oh, fuck yeah. Hell yeah. Good again? Oh, dude, yeah. Fucking nail him in there, bro. Hell yeah.
I was trying to get up.
It's alright. Hey. Thanks, man.
Anything I can help you with?
High five.
Thanks for your help. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Your day goes better, man.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
All good?
Yep, brother man, I appreciate you stopping.
Yeah, of course. Well, good job. Appreciate it.
Have a good one, man.